Happy birthday, Mami! Sana po mag-enjoy kayo today with your family, extended families, friends. Inihanda po namin ito para sa inyo. Stay healthy and enjoy life ahead.
Our birthday celebrator, Cristeta Castillo Manalo Magnaye.
All my life I thought I'd be waiting for the pieces to fall in their places.
Happy birthday, Mommy! I love you!
Now it feels like
Happy birthday, Mommy! I love you! Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday. Sana enjoyin mo yung araw na to. Wish ko lang mabawasan ng ligalig. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you dahil lagi niyo po kaming patuloy na ginagabayan. Hayaan niyo po na kami ay bumabay din sa inyo habang sa pagtanda. Kami kasama niyo po lagi. Happy birthday!
deep breath, gonna take the first step. So now here we go. Oh. So long, look how far we've come, further than you know. Oh. Feel the rush, electric to the touch. Gold is in the blood. When it comes, everything will change. We won't be the same. Oh, it's a perfect moment in time, and I'm holding on for the ride. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so.
Happy birthday, Mame. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo ay more birthdays to come at lagi lang po kayong maging healthy and tumawa ng napakasaya. Yun lang po.
Everything has changed. Yeah, we're not the same. Oh, it's a perfect moment in time, and I'm holding on for the ride. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so.
Itubos at walang hanggan katapusang pasasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos at lalo tigit ay sa mga taong naririto ngayon, nagbigay ng panahon upang makiisa sa aming celebration ito. Talagang wala po akong pagsidlan at kayo lahat ay naririto ngayon. Sa lahat ng mga pamilya ng Manalo, Castillo, Magnaye, Abanilla, lahat na po ng mga naririto